All right, guys, look at this. Whew. Rode home, everything was fine. And I had the the top open here, sunroof open, had window down, went inside, started eating dinner, and it just came a flood, just poured in the car. So I had to run out here and get that fixed as quick as I could. So now, and I've got water everywhere, I got in this little hub deal here. So there's that. So that should work. And I just ordered one of these cheap Chinese ones. It actually came in like a couple days, so that should be fine. So that should work. And I actually thought this was an NRG one to begin with, and then I realized in the last video that it wasn't. So it won't matter that it's getting paired with another cheap Chinese piece. So that should work. Also, I was going to bring up, got some new HiRevz stickers. So check this out. This is see the line there. This is our Godzilla design, and we've got some of the HiRevz logo ones here. Pretty neat. So these are with a white background and a little bit bigger than that one on the dash. Of course, it's kind of hard to see. There we go. Yeah, just a little bit bigger. So should be pretty cool. These are 5.5, and they have 4s too. They're on the website. Again, this is close to 5.5, a long ways. So pretty cool. So there's a few different stickers on there. You can pick those up fairly cheap. So check those out right over here. So start on this. I'm going to take these bolts out, pull that off, and you can see the steering wheel is straight right now. And I made some little marks right here. You can kind of see where I etched a little bit of lines on there. It's actually easier to see in person, but just put some lines. There we go. Put some lines on there just to line it up. And essentially this little red light is straight on the dash. So if I can, I know that this is top when I'm running down the road. So when I pulled up to a red light today, I just etched a little spot in it so I could see where it was later. Right, you'll notice that if this is straight up and down, this hole right here is a little bit off center, which is fine because this is going to be a little bit off center too. And then that actually puts my center point pretty close back onto where it should be. So I think this is going to work for us. So we just got to get this on there. And since this is a short hub, obviously this ain't going to work because that drops in just like the horn does. So I'm going to pop this out. The horn doesn't work anyways, and I'm okay with that. All right, I'm finishing tightening this up, and this is the backing ring here that locks it in. So I got that about done, and this is the locked position there, which is pretty close. So I'm finished tightening these up. All right, guys, that looks way better. Now we at least got a horn in here. It doesn't do anything, but it covers up the whole nice Avenue horn button there. And this worked pretty good, actually. So you press the button down, and then you roll this doohickey around here, which is hard to do with one hand. Well, I figured out why I want turn, because the Avenue bolts are much better than these ones they send with the hub. So the Avenue bolts are a lot longer. They thread deeper. They've got the nice round polished cap there. And these are the ones that came with the hub. However, because they're so much longer, they actually touch the back part that keep it from spinning. So I'm gonna have to switch out to the cheaper ones, which kind of sucks, but that's what they'll look like down there. So it is what it is. All right, so now it's on there. Just need to polish her back up a little bit. Lean her back up. Get all my nasty fingerprints off of here. I'll show you this thing works. So now we can take this one-handed, bam, wheels off. So that just slides around and this locks it into place. There you go. So it actually works pretty good. Maybe a little harder to put back on one-handed. Let's see. Anyways, it's a two-handed operation. Oh, wait, nope, didn't get it. Hey, look, it's on. There we go. So that's gonna work pretty good. And now I got plenty of room here for my fingers to slide by, but not too far where I can't reach it. And now this is set where I can sit back comfortably. Perfect. All right, guys, over here at the shop, Civic back in here, and the other day I had the gasket between the manifold and the turbo kind of blow out. One of the bolts got loose and ended up messing that up. Well, that seemed to be sucking back air and causing it to backfire. So here's a video of that, popped in the last one. So when it started doing that, it actually blew out the downpipe on there and messed that up. Yeah, there's that gasket there. He does that. See that? I've already taken off this bolt, but that bolt came loose, and that's what made it blow out. And then you can see up under here,
that gasket right there, hanging out.
So, gotta figure out something. So now I gotta get these back two nuts off of here. And then there's that gasket. The bolt actually came out right there, so try to get that put back. All right, guys, got the new gasket in there. Got this put back together here, and about to get the O2 sensor screwed back in. And fire up. Belt spilled every time that I want to film it. Well, doesn't seem to be leaking there anymore. And the bottom one don't sound too bad. Sounds like we have exhaust going out in the rear of the car again, which is good. That's good and thoughtful. I also cut off the pipe here just a little bit. Trim her down. Right, Dad and I are about to go down the road in the Cutlass here. Got falling all over it still. Thought you ordered a TikTok tank.
I got one.
You got it in already?
No.
Oh, not coming in yet?
It's in here. I got it already.
Okay, that's what I meant. So
in the basement.
Okay, cool.
I just hadn't had the time.
Well, now you're recently retired. Friday was your last day.
Yep.
How's it feel?
Awesome.
What we're doing is checking out the AC. So, see how that works. Sorry, I'm breaking this.